Standing next to KwiKool unit with a sealing kit. Purpose of a sealing kit is essentially to remove heated air from the space. So as you're running warm air through your system across an evaporator coil, you're blowing out cold air, but also in that process, you need to remove heat so you're not blowing it back into the space, which is the purpose of the condenser. This particular system has a dual condenser, so you need two ducts. So there's an air comes in through and then discharges out. So sealing kits are pretty popular with these type of systems because you need a way to discharge that heat. A lot of office buildings use these in spaces, so you have ceiling tiles. KwiKool makes a sealing kit. It'll fit into a 2 foot by 2 foot space. You can either slide a 4 foot ceiling panel over 2 feet and put it in and it nests inside the actual grid itself. Or you can find, like I did in this situation, where there's a 2 foot panel available. Essentially, you connect your ducts to that panel and place it in the ceiling, and then you connect to the air conditioning unit itself, both ducts. So the air will come in, pull the heated air away, and run it out the top. This way, you're not throwing heated air back into the room, making it inefficient, and just wasting the purpose of having an air conditioner. So you have to discharge that condenser air somewhere. It can go through a window as well, so you can even mount if you have an ability to take it out a window. But generally speaking, people run it out for ceiling grids in office spaces, hospitals, and other types of applications.